Welcome to Hayden Outdoors Life on the Land. I'm your host, Alan Treadwell, and we're going to tour a bunch of incredible properties.
Hi, my name's Brett. I'm the owner of this home. We are in Northeast Oregon.
My name's John Harity. I'm the sales manager at Hayden Outdoors. I'm also the managing broker for Hayden Outdoors in the state of Alaska. And we just recently opened an office here in Kodiak.
Oh, yellow eye!
That's a nice one there.
Hey, that's Heath Thompson. I am the broker for Hayden Outdoors for South Carolina and Georgia.
Yeah, I don't care who's keeping score, but whatever we do, Dan can't beat us.
Remember, it'll be okay because this measures circumference and not ego, so I think we should be fine.
Good morning, I'm Greg Little with Hayden Outdoors. We're on Pensacola Bay, Gulf Breeze, Florida, my hometown.
Nice! Yeah! We're talking fish now!
Hauled in a couple of bull elk. That was pretty awesome, wasn't it?
There was a big old bull 7x7 in there, then a couple of satellite bulls.
Hey, up here, Hayden. Hey. Hey. Life on the Land. It's on RFD TV. That's what they're doing. In the late 90s, we had 250,000 of these animals roaming around the West, and here in 2020, there's over 500,000 of them. And there's no better conservation success story in America than the American bison.
Another one of the good matchups.
There's a feeling about belonging to the land. It's a very special feeling. Farmers and ranchers are the best environmentalists in the entire country. If you're landed, you care about what happens to the land.